Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to today's lesson. This is Language Booster TV, the YouTube channel which helps you to learn three languages: Kinyarwanda, Kiswahili, and English. Today we are in Learn English program, lesson number 19. We are going to see how to respond to the word thank you. In our daily conversations, we need to respond to word thank you. So when we do something to our colleagues, they say thank you. How do we respond to thank you? We are going to see 10 ways to respond to thank you. When someone tells you thank you, how do you respond it? How do you respond? Right. Tujye kurebera hamwe uburyo wasubiza umuntu ukubwiye ijambo ngo thank you. Umuntu ugushimiye akavuga ngo thank you, wamusubiza ngo iki? We are going to see 10 ways. Tujye kureba uburyo 10 wasubiza umuntu ugushimiye akoresheje ijambo thank you. We always encounter these words. So at the end of this lesson, you will be able to reply to thank you using different words. Yes. How do you respond to thank you? This is Language Booster TV. I am teacher Eric Bunani. In Language Booster TV, kandi mwalimu wanyu Eric Bunani. So I encourage you to watch the previous lessons. Ndakushishikariza kureba amasomo yabanje in this program Learn English. This is lesson number 19. Please watch the previous lesson. Ndagusaba urebe video zabanje. Alright, if you have not subscribed, do it right now. Like this video, share to your friends, comment where possible, and you can suggest the video you want to learn. You can contact us via WhatsApp number that is displayed on this screen. You can join our WhatsApp group where we learn these languages face to face. I mean, in directly. You can click on the link in the description of the video and in the comment section. Ushobora kuri link iri muri comment ndetse no muri description ukinjira ku rubuga rwa WhatsApp duhuriraho n'abakunzi banjye tukarushaho kwiga neza no kunoza imivugirwe y'izindi mizo mukoresha. Alright, abandi baratese rwose mwebwe muri gukerererwa mu training twige izi ndimi. Nanjye nicyo niyemeje. That is my intention. Nicyo niyemeje. I can also tell those who have business that they can advertise their business via through this channel. Ushobora kwamamaza business yawe uyicishije kuri no channel, twabigufashamo. Contact us via WhatsApp number. Twandikire kuri nimero ya WhatsApp that is displayed on your screen. Iri gucishwa kuri screen ya machine yawe cyangwa se telefone yawe. Without taking too much time, let us go. 10 ways to respond to thank you. 10 ways to respond to thank you. How do you reply when some tell you thank you? When someone tell you thank you, how do you reply? Here are 10 responses to the word thank you. We are going to see 10 responses to the word thank you. Are you ready for the lesson? If you are ready, tell me. So at the end of this video, I would like you to reply to the word thank you. Choose the one you prefer. Hitamo ijambo rimwe uze kurimbwira kwiherezo ry'ino video. Number 1 is you are welcome. You welcome. This you can say you are welcome or you welcome. You're welcome. So the word you welcome, the first word that is commonly used. You're welcome. For example, Anita says, "Thank you for your kindness." Thank you for your kindness. Thank you for your kindness. Another one can reply, "You're welcome, dear." You're welcome, dear. Anita ashobora kuvuga ati urakoze kubwo kongirira neza, nakamusubiza ati you welcome. You welcome. Sizi ko naho uko mivuga bifata mu Cyongereza gutyo. Kinyarwanda kubona ko gusubiza iyo umuntu aguye turakoze uramusubiza ati nawe nta bindi. So you welcome. The first word is you welcome. Thank you, you welcome. Thank you, you are welcome. You can say you are welcome, or you can use short you can use contraction form. You say you're welcome. Repeat, you're welcome. Thank you, you're welcome, or you are welcome. All right. The second word is don't mention it. 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 Repeat again. Don't mention it. All right. When someone says you, thank you, you can reply with don't mention it. Okay. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your support. Don't mention it. Thank you for watching this video. Don't mention it. You can reply with don't mention it. Don't mention it. Alright, the second word is don't mention it. Don't mention it. Try. Thank you for watching this video. Reply. Don't mention it. Alright. The third word is no problem. No problem. No problem. Irindi jambo rya gatatu twifashisha, it is no problem. Someone may say thank you for your invitation. No problem. Thank you for your support. No problem. Thank you for your kindness. No problem. No problem. All right. No problem. Another word is no worries. No worries. No worries. The word number 4 we can use to reply to thank you is no worries. No worries means what? When someone says thank you, you can say no worries. I really thank you for your time spent watching this video. You can reply no worries. No worries. I really thank you for the time you spent together. You spend together. No worries. No worries. Tachibasu. No worries. Right. The word number 5 is my pleasure. My pleasure. Thank you for your attendance. Someone may attend the meeting or attend your invitation, attend the party you have invited him or her to. You can say thank you for your attendance, and you can say it's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. Repeat again. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. Thank you for watching this lesson. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. Gerageza usubize utyo igihe umuntu akubwiye thank you urahitamo amagambo byibura uzajya ukoresha. Ntukahora uvuga ijambo rimwe. Ntukajye usubiramo tuba tumenyereye gusubiza ngo thank you to, ariko nubwo nayo ariyo dutangire dukoreshe n'andi magambo. No worries. No worries. No problem. Don't mention it. Thank you. It's my pleasure. So another word is anytime. 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 This one is unusual, too many. When someone tell you thank you very much, you can say anytime. Thank you very much. Anytime. Anytime. Alright. The one number 7 is it was the least I could do. Here shows you that you have many things to help someone. You did the least. Hano ushaka kugaragaza ko ibyo wakoze rwose hari n'ibindi ari byo bityo bashobora gukora, hari n'ibindi washobora gukorera umuntu. Iyo umuntu agushimiye rero, thank you for watching the video. Ushaka ati akoze kuba warebye ino video, akavuga ati so kuyireba gusa ibyo nibyo nimbashije gukora n'ibindi bishoboka nabigukorera. So Anita says thank you for helping me to learn English today. Ati wakoze kumfasha kwiga Icyongereza uno munsi. So I will say it was the least I could do. Ibyo nibyo bike nashoboraga gukora. It was the least I could do. This one is very important and it is sound sweet. It sounds sweet. It was the least I could do. It was the least I could do. So the word number 8 is glad to help you. Glad to help you. nanjye nishimiye kuba nagufashije. Glad to help you. You can say thank you for teaching us English. Glad to help you. Nkahita ngusubiza ati glad to help you. Thank you for your help. So glad to help you. Glad to help you. All right. Another word is sure. Sure. Benita, thank you for your help. Anita says sure. Repeat again. Sure. Yes. The last word is thank you too. When someone says thank you, dear. You have helped me to learn English. Thank you, dear. You've helped me to learn English. And I say thank you too. Dear friends, you have been looking on the 10 ways to reply to thank you. Twatiri kure buryo 10 wasubiza umuntu ukubwiye ngo thank you. So number 1, you have seen the first word is you welcome. The second is don't mention it. The third one is no problem. The fourth one is no worries. The fifth one is my pleasure. The sixth one is anytime. So the seventh use. It was the least I could do. And the 8th is glad to help you. And the 9th is sure. And the last one is thank you too. Dear friends, try to reply to this. Thank you for watching this lesson. Alright, how do we reply? Reply me in the comment. Nyandikira muri comment ijambo wansubiza hariya. Thank you for watching this lesson. Urakoze kuba warebye rino somo. Andika ijambo muri comment unsubiza. Alright, thank you very much for watching this lesson. I'm your teacher Alec Bunani. This is Language Booster TV, the YouTube channel which helps you to learn 3 languages. Remember to subscribe if you have not done it. Share this video, like this video, write in the comment to show us that you have learned anything from this video. Kwandike muri comment, usharinge, urayikinge, just bidukorere natwe tuguhe amasomo meza asobanutse kandi agufasha kuvuga Icyongereza, Igiswahili ndetse n'Ikinyarwanda mu gihe gitoya. Yes, see you again next time. Bye bye.